Bolve Greybeard is the current Jarl of the Dek-Tra tribe of the Space Wolves' 13th Great Company. Known as the Old Wolf, he is one of the oldest serving Astartes of the 6th Legion. Originally Huskarl to Jarl Yoren Bloodwolf's Wolfguard during the Dulan campaign, Bolve also fought alongside his Primarch Leman Russ before the Emperor of Mankind's arrival on Fenris. Bolve would also wage war against the Thousand Sons on their homeworld of Prospero, culminating in his great company pursuing the Sons of Magnus that fled into the Warp. A dilation in time would lead to Bolve and 200 of his men to be lost for 10,000 years until their recovery from Prospero by Njal Stormcaller. Despite this, Bolve would ally with Ragnar Blackmane and become instrumental in preventing the annihilation of the Space Wolves during the 42nd millennium by thwarting a fell ritual cast by Chaos Sorcerer Maddox.